Welcome to Developer Guide. In this video, we will see how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench on Windows operating system. Let us see in the browser how to download it. Just come to on Google Chrome and type download MySQL for Windows. Click on the first link for the MySQL installer and select the MSI installer. This one. Just click on download. No thanks, just start my download. We do not need to log in for this. ओके इंस्टॉलर डाउनलोड हो गया है हमारा. जस्ट डबल क्लिक ऑन यस पॉपअप. Click on next. It will install MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench and MySQL Shell. All three products will be installed. Okay. And this one. Okay. Now click on next and execute. It is started downloading MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench and MySQL Shell. We can also see the details. Been upgraded. It is showing as status as complete. Now click on next button and then there is showing ready to configure MySQL Server. Click on next. This is for skip system tables upgrade, check and process, not recommended. Then click on next and we have to check over here. We have to keep standard system account. This is for custom user, so we'll keep the same configuration over here. Then click on next. Then click on execute. So it is starting executing. It will take some time. And the installation has been finished. It is showing the configuration for the MySQL Server was successful and then finish. The upgrade has been completed and then click on finish. So it is done. All three softwares has been installed. Okay. Click on close button. We can check window r plus services.msc if the MySQL has been installed or not. The services we can see over here. So this is showing as MySQL 8.0 is running, and this is the automatic. That means we don't need to stop and start. So there we can manually stop, pause, restart, but this is the automatic restart. Okay. So now check for the Workbench is installed or not. This is Workbench. This has been installed. Workbench. Okay. So this is also has been installed. So by default MySQL user is root. So click on this one. The default port is 3306. So the MySQL Workbench also has been installed. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.